All right, we're on a 544 here. We're going to do some voltage checks. So let's take a look at the main power. Main power is coming in. It's coming down here, going into the transformer. Now I have my transformer here. I've got a fuse, and right next to the fuse I have a lug that I'll put my positive on, and I'll go to right next to the fuse. There's a small hole where I can get inside here, and I can measure my 123, 124 volts going in. So that's good. On the output side, it should be a lower AC voltage, right? Because we're going through the transformer. And over there, I've got 26.5 volts. So I know my transformer is working. If I really wanted to, I could check these lines going up on the input side of the power board. I should have the same voltage. Now, the output voltage here, we're going to switch over to DC volts. And over here, I've got 35.96, so about 36 volts coming out of this board, so I know my board's functioning right. By the way, there is a bridge rectifier on here that's converting that AC voltage to DC voltage, and then it's storing them in these capacitors. When messing around with these boards, of course, you want to be very careful around capacitors. They store energy. It will zap you. So if you ever need to change one of these boards out, you'll kill the power. You can wait 5 minutes or so for those to drain, or you can manually drain them. And the only way I recommend you do that is with a proper capacitor discharge tool. Never use a screwdriver to ground these. You do run the risk of wrecking them. Not such a concern on a board you're about to replace, but if you're servicing a unit and you get in here, you want to be careful about shocking those capacitors. Over on the main board, you should have a light here indicating power is coming in, and then the circuitry is working as indicated by a flashing light here. There's some outputs here that you can measure the voltage on at various times of the operation, just to kind of check if they're working. We can also use our meter in continuity mode to check switches here, and you can even use it to check the operation of the potentiometers here.